This is Tricia Morris at Club Scrap with our gorgeous Riverbend collection. Take a look at these prints. We have 2 tent prints, so pretty, and then 2 of these gorgeous crane prints. And then to complement those, we have an assortment of beautiful colors here in a nice cover weight. We've got this aqua color, a deep teal, and then this light green. Oh, this paper is so pretty. You just have to touch it to appreciate it. And then a lovely texture on this dark green. Rounding out the artwork from this collection, you'll find 2 sheets of 12 by 12 Cutaparts. These really help because they provide the titles, the journaling prompts, and other complementary images to make completing your layout so easy. We also help you mat your photos with a dozen 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 photo mats, 3 each of 4 colors, the teal, aqua, dark green, and light green. We include 3 coordinating ribbons as well. There's a 7/8 inch aqua satin, and then this dark green soft cotton ribbon, and then 2 full yards of this light green gingham. And finally, some fabulous embellishments. We got 2 woodcut signs and a set of 5 silver fishing swivels. For charms this month, we've got this sweet Gone Fishin' sign, and then 2 of this style fish, 2 of the other, and 3 little hooks. If you're curious as to how all of this turns into beautiful scrapbook pages, we've got you covered here at Club Scrap with our printable instructions. These give you all of the details as to how to trim each individual sheet of paper and then assemble it onto a page. And then during the video workshop, I will guide you through every step of turning all of those trim pieces, the embellishments, the Cutaparts, all of the ribbon, everything that comes in that box. We'll turn it into layouts and nary a scrap during the whole process. So once you're done making your pages, nothing left to store and organize at the end. I sure hope you'll consider a membership to Club Scrap. Either way, pick up your Riverbend page kit and I'll meet you in class.